Hey guys, Anagha here. So today's video is going to be about getting a perfect eyeliner. We girls strive every day to get that Cateye perfect eyeliner. So I have tried to make our life a little easier and made a stencil which we can use it every day. So let's start. Before starting, I want you guys to click the subscribe button and also the bell icon to get notifications regarding the channel. So stay tuned. Okay, so what I have done is, this is a tag, plastic tag. I have created a winged line here and I have cut it. You can see. Now what I'm going to do is, I have this Dr. tape with me. And I'm going to place this tape above the winged liner, like this. And I'm going to cut the excess. Now I'm going to cut the black part or the darkest part here, only the dark part and not the white part here. So you can see we are going to cut this part. Now this way we are going to make the sticker for the liner, and it would be use it and throw sticker. Okay, now I have cut it, you can see. Okay, now you can see this clearly. I have cut the whole sellotape which was the darkest part here. Just give a proper shape to it. Now I had this folder which I don't use it anymore. So what I have already made two stickers, one for left and one for right eye. Let's get into how to use the sticker. Now please excuse my eyebrows, I haven't done them. I haven't got that much time before shooting this video. So let's get directly to the eyeliner. So how the eyeliner looks, and this is the first time I was so fast to apply the eyeliner. And so I want you girls to try this, and please comment in the video. I would be really happy to know that this trick helped you guys. So yes, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.